Okay, we're doing afternoon chores. A little early, not too much. Do you think?
No, it's just a little bit.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
But it was pretty cold this morning. What did you say it was this morning?
22.
Did we have ice on the water?
Oh yeah, we had there's a good half an inch of ice on everything. And we had one hose thing that had pushed out a little bit, but I got it tightened back up. So
okay.
To this point, we don't have any broken pipes.
Well, that's good. You wouldn't tell while he's getting the food out. You wouldn't tell by looking. We've got a nice sunny day, and doesn't look
cold.
like.
I mean, it's chilly. It's not.
It's chilly, yes, but not so cold that our breathing doesn't frost up and stuff like that. So, my sister talked to my aunt in Hobbs today, and there's snow on the ground in Hobbs, New Mexico. First, I don't know if Ray heard me, but he's busy getting food out. I bet some of the people up north would like our weather, wouldn't they, Ray?
Yeah, probably. Give me that little bucket up there.
Okay.
Just put it down.
Okay. Oh. Down it goes. Look over here. Big boy is loving on little miss. There they are. Hi there, little miss. Hello there, mama. Hey, big boy. Hey there, big boy. Hey there. Oh, that's my good boy. Yeah, that's my good boy.
Hey, y'all. Thank you very, very much for visiting us at Our Little Texas Ranch. See y'all soon.